This is Stephen Roseman for cross-platform week 3 of Android now. We're back on Android. This week I'm using Genymotion. I seem to be having some issues with my actual emulator, so we're going to run through do an overview, and we'll start with the new user, and we need to activate the network, and that already given us some feedback. So let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi on. Let's see if we can sign up a new user. Start off with me. Steve@email.com. Take that error out for the time being. And see, we just do Steve as the password. We get an error because there are some requirements for the password, and it gives us some feedback for that. It'll take us back to the login screen, and let's try to do that again. And this time we'll put in the criteria, and we are now in, and let's see if we have our new user. So we now have Steve, who's a new user, and yeah, I used to have a dog named Biggie, so we'll use Biggie. My favorite team is the Redskins, being from DC, and Deshaun Jackson is one of my favorite players right now. So that is the information that shows up. Let's make sure that it's also showing up in our private restricted file, Biggie, Redskins, and the number. So we have several different data types as well. What we'll do is we'll grab the another device, and we'll log that out, and we'll try to refresh the data to be able to show in Android on this side. So we'll give a new pet name of Rocks. We don't have a date of birth anymore. We'll correct that. Favorite team, Wizards. Will stay all DC. Team number, I think John Wall is number 2, I believe. And so that's John Wall, and we'll hit the refresh button. And so we get that information there. Also, what we'll do is we can check it for polling as well, so that it automatically updates on its own. Freckles for another name. Favorite team, Capitals. Ovechkin, 8. How about that? And so we have Steve, Freckles, Capitals, and number 8. And I believe we have it on about a 20-second delay. So that should come, and there we go. We have that information that will automatically refresh on its own. What we'll do from this point is turn the Wi-Fi off very quickly, and will allow the user to be able to still function while there is no network. So call him Westy. Favorite team, Warriors. 4 is the number. I think Chris Webber used to have that number. And so that is being saved locally. Check your connection because the network connection is down. And there we go. We have that in there as well. So we'll log out of this user, and let's see, we'll update our data. And once again, we have Freckles, capital, and I apologize. We have it's a little slow. All right, and there we go. If we try to log me back in, network is not active, and so we were able to check for various data types, be able to show um, it working, or it being able to still show data even when it's down, be able to um, stop a person if they don't have a connection as well, and be able to update, automatically refresh. I believe we covered all the pieces of the project. Thank you very much.